Welcome to Igbo History TV. Please kindly subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed. Turn on the notification icon for more updates.
Today I'm going to show you some of my experiences in the oil-rich Sahara Desert. I'm going to show you what I discovered in my trip to the oil-rich Sahara Desert. Please continue watching this video.
In this southwestern part of Algeria are the Tuaregs, also called the Buzu tribe. Algeria is a country in the northern part of Africa. It is bounded in the east by Tunisia and Libya, in the west by Mali, Mauritania and Morocco, in the north by the Mediterranean Sea, and in the south by Niger Republic. Algeria is undoubtedly the largest country in Africa by landmass. Nevertheless, most of these vast lands are deserts. The country provided basic amenities to its citizens. One speculating feature is the way the country maintains sustainable water supply and viable electricity in these deserted areas. The government made available free pipe-borne water to the people. Can you see the pipeline at all the houses here? Look at the overhead tank over there. That is where all the water came from. The water is pumped into these overhead tanks from the country's water channels. Then from here it is distributed to all the houses in the city. This remote village also enjoys free and uninterrupted electricity supply. Look at those wells over there. They are dug in the whole of this desert for people who may need the water for commercial purposes, especially strangers. There are more than 500 in this particular place only. One amazing feature here is that despite the fact that this is a desert, water is not far from the ground. Not at all. There is another thing I want to show you. Can you see those rocks over there? These rocks are made up of granite, schist, or gneiss, which are all mixtures of igneous and metamorphic rocks, which are found in larger quantities in this part of Algeria. There is a lot of gold deposit here. In fact, most of Algeria's gold reserves are found in this area. These smooth, beautiful and colorful stones are used in building and beautifying of houses. Can you see how beautiful these structures are? That is what these stones are used for. These rocks spread from here to Mali, Libya, Niger, Burkina Faso, even Nigeria. Look at those houses over there. I know most of you will be wondering the kind of house this might be. But it is not actually a Homer house, it is a transformer house. Yes, electric transformer. Can you see how protected it is? Do you know that people live around it? Let me show you. These are people's houses beside the transformer. Do you think a thief can penetrate into this place without the knowledge of the people living around here? Or rather, the person holding the key of this house? Can you see how secure it is? Unlike Nigeria, where thieves penetrate into the transformer house and cut away with some essential part of the transformer without being identified. Drop your comment. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel.